How to record using ScreenCastO Matic. Okay, so first you'll need to search ScreenCastO Matic in the Google search bar. This is the screen you will come to. The first time you use ScreenCastO Matic, go ahead and launch the free recorder and the start recording for free. So up here in this orange box, there's a launch free recorder. Then your screen will change and you will see start recording for free. And then you click on that. The next time you use ScreenCastO Matic, you will go to the login button and you will log in with Google. So here's the login button up in the upper right hand corner. And this will take you to a screen that looks like this, and you will sign in with Google. Once you're in the program, you will need to start recording. Go to the upper right hand corner and click on the icon that looks like a video recorder right here. A box will pop up like this. Click on Open Screen Recorder Launcher. Once you do this, be sure to wait a full 60 seconds for your screen to launch. This sometimes takes a little bit of time. Once the screen launches, this is what it will look like. There will be an adjustable dotted box like this. It's adjustable. Anything within the dotted box will be recorded. You will need to decide how you want to record. This is how you'll decide right here. Do you want to just record what's on the screen? If so, press screen. Do you want to just record yourself? If so, click on webcam. If you would like to click both, that will show you what's on the screen, and a little box will pop up over here that also shows you yourself. Finally, to start recording, click on the red record button down here. This is the red record button. Once you're finished recording, you can watch what you recorded by clicking on the play arrow. This is the play arrow. You can restart if you're not happy with your recording by clicking on the trash can right here. Or you can just press done to complete your recording. Once you press done, a black box will pop up on the right lower side of the screen, like this. Press the green publish button. Click on the Save as a Video file. This will allow you to receive an MP4 of your recording. This is what should happen. Wait for this publishing to finish uploading. Once you publish, the MP4 recording will be saved onto your desktop or in your documents. You can upload your MP4 onto YouTube to make it more compatible with different programs. Don't forget to ask for help if you get confused.